So hello everybody, TCS NQT exam that is on tomorrow, that is from 15th March is going to start, and admit card mail has been received to almost all the candidates who are going to appear in this exam. So best of luck all of you who are going to appear in this exam, that is free NQT. This exam will be conducted in multiple shifts, that is which is starting from tomorrow. So get ready, and previous year questions is uploaded on the Telegram channel so that it will be helpful for you to prepare for it. The exam pattern of this exam TCS NQT is like this, as on the screen you can see. It will be consist of two parts, part A and part B. And part A is that is foundation section, in which numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability questions will be provided, with each section of 25 minutes of total, in which numerical ability of total 25 minutes, and in the questions total number of questions will be 20, and in the verbal ability of 25 minutes total question will be of 25. Okay, and in reasoning ability, that is of total 25 minutes, number of questions will be 20. And in part B, that is advanced section, in which advanced quantitative ability, in the total timing will be 25 minutes, and total questions will be 15. And in second, that is advanced reasoning ability, in which total time is 25 minutes and total questions is 15. And there will be advanced coding problems, of which number of questions will be 3. Time will be given 90 minutes for that. So overall the total duration of this exam will be 190 minutes, that is, and overall total number of questions will be 83. Okay, so get ready and best of luck. Bye bye. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. Bye bye.